Finally, it's 6:15 and we started to climb up around 4 o'clock in the morning. Everyone, welcome back to Pair Around the World. अब मैं जा रहा हूँ एडम्स पीक, श्रीपदा भी बोला जाता है यहाँ के लोकल लैंग्वेज में. फ़िलहाल तो अभी बारिश हो रही है, बज चुके हैं दिन के 3 बजे. बारिश हो रही है, बहुत अंधेरा है और हमने 3 जनों ने रेनकोट मिल गया, होटल वाले ने दे दिया हमको 3 रेनकोट दिया है और मैं तो छाता ले रहा हूँ क्योंकि मेरे पास है नहीं वो रेनकोट. देखते हैं कि बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट लग रहा है. अराउंड 2200 मीटर्स इट्स हाई and it's going to be 7,300 feet above from the base point. So let's see how hard it is. It's going to take around 2 to 3 hours. Let's see and I'll keep showing you, but it's raining heavily over there. रुक चुकी है और लकीली मुझे एक कोट मिल गया है. अंधेरा का टाइम है तो हम क्लाइम करेंगे. अभी कुछ 3:30-4 बजे मेरे ख्याल से. आई एम नॉट श्योर कितना है. लेट मी जस्ट चेक इट आउट. Yeah, it's 3:43 as of now, early morning. Now this is an off season. Right now it's an off season. The actual season is from December to May, wherein everyone is allowed to go, because right now in off season only foreigners are allowed. So if you are not a Sri Lankan, you can still go up to the peak. You are allowed as a foreigner. So we have started climbing towards the Adam Peak and it's very dark, so it's difficult. The picture quality is not that good, so sorry for that. गणपति जी विराजमान है यहाँ पे. इस टेम्पल बंद है. ऑन द वे है हम. यहाँ से ये स्टेप्स चालू हो रहा है और यहाँ पे लिखा है द सेक्रेड फुटप्रिंट ऑफ गौतम बुद्धा. काफ़ी रिलीजन में अलग अलग माना जाता है, तो हम जाके देखते हैं फिर भी कैसा है. जय भोलेनाथ. इट इज़ ऑल्सो कंसिडर्ड एट द mountain of Shiva and the footprints as per Hindu is considered as Shiva footprint, and different religion have different saying about it. Continuous steps to nahi hai. There is something little to walk and then you have the steps, so it's not continuous steps over here. After 2 kilometers almost 2 kilometers plus in just 28 minutes and we reached to this point. It's a very big statue and there are many shops which I saw on the way. I think they will open in the morning. Now this is a donation box. This is a Gautam Buddha statue. So I see a Gautam Buddha statue over here and with a lot of monks on the left side and on the right side. We come right from this side. It's too dark, there's no light over here, so we are using a torch and a flashlight. Please pray for us. Some more Gautam Buddha statue on the way. One of birthday boys slipped down because it's very slippery over there. बहुत slippery है उस तरफ पे और पूरा पानी भरा हुआ है. It's raining. It was raining very heavy now. It just stopped and we almost reached. It's gonna take another 10-15 minutes and it's a lot of fog. You can see over here. Over there also there's a lot of fog in the morning. It's exactly 5:33 in the morning. Finally, it's 6:15 and we started to climb up around 4 o'clock in the morning and abhi bhi we still have a lot of steps to go. There's more to go. I think around 30 minutes to go. We are already exhausted, man. It's very tiring. We took almost 15 steps and the birthday boy slipped today. Almost he lost his phone today, but it's working fine. It's gonna be just a little more difficult to climb up there. We're gonna reach in some time, in few minutes. Show you that we are right above, somewhere in middle of the clouds. You can see the clouds over there behind my friends, and this side also you can see the cloud is just moving from down to up. तो बहुत ही तेज़ हवा चल रही थी और काफ़ी मुश्किल से हम ऊपर पहुँचे थे। सब थक चुके थे क्योंकि और उसमें से एक बर्थडे बॉय तो गिर चुका था। ऊपर ये टेंपल क्लोज़ था, तो वी आर सॉरी, आई कुड नॉट शो यू फ्रॉम इनसाइड। बहुत मज़ा आया। वी आर डिसेंडिंग और ऊपर मंदिर तो बंद था और सबको लगभग 3.5 घंटा लगता है। इट टेक्स अराउंड 3.5 hours टू रीच ऑन द टॉप, but it's a lot of hard work. You may take around 4 hours. I heard that it takes around 1.5 hour to 2 hours, but no, it took me around 3.5 hours to reach on the top.
And without very less rest
yeah,
also.
With less rest. So
And high intention.
yeah, you may need to carry bottle of water.
And also some snacks.
Yeah, some
Like
snacks also,
chocolates.
because the shops are closed. There's no tea, there's no snacks.
And it is
And,
surely not 2000.
Yeah,
Steps.
looks like more than 2,000 steps.
Maybe 1000, 10,000 also.
Yeah,
Might be.
could be. So it was almost a 15 kilometers journey, going up, going down, and make sure if you're ready for that, only then do this place. And one more thing, you need to carry your raincoat. It's gonna rain heavily on the top.
हरिओम दादा.
It is the sunrise from there as you go up. So it's on your left hand side as you go up.